Alright, so I have a Lenovo Y545 81Q6 heatsink here, heatsink block with the fans installed in here. And I bought some replacement fans off Amazon, and they're the same fans. They may be like Chinese knockoff or whatever, but same fan. But when I took out this block, I noticed that I have no idea how to take these fans out, because there's this metal piece that connects to this other metal piece, and doesn't really make any sense to me. So what I'm gonna do, since I already kind of destroyed this wire here, so I'm gonna do some probing. And by probing, I mean I'm gonna try to snip these little tabs and see if it comes out, because it looks like that's the only thing holding it in. If we take a look at these new fans, it's got these notches. I can't really see the camera, but you see here these notches. Looks like it goes through there, and the way it stays in afterwards, I have no idea, but I'm gonna try it out. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the correct orientation. And yeah, let's see what happens. On off. I'm using some snips from like my Ender 3 kit. So snipped. And wow, that came out pretty easily. All right. Yeah, you could see how dirty this fan was. This computer was sitting in a room that was full of dust pretty much all the time. So if, I can't power this fan up now, but if I'll put a video down, or I guess I'll just put a clip into this video what it sounded like when running. These bearings are shot. This one isn't the bad one, the other one is. This one spins pretty freely, but I figure I might as well replace it if I'm replacing the other one. All right. So let's see here. I guess we just do what we did before. Pop it on. All right, that's on. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna do the other side first. Just because they're not gonna stick in permanently. Unless I figure out how to do it. Snip. 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 Alright. Yeah, this was the bad one. Yeah, you can hear that. It just vibrates. Yeah, this one's no good. Alright. That stuff is off. I guess I'm just gonna clean these thermal connector, or these things, whatever they're called. And then, oops, hit my camera. and I guess I'm gonna bring my laptop back over here and install it. So a lot to clean here, so I think I'm just gonna clean this now and then pop up with the laptop back in front of me. My thermal paste is in a box somewhere from when I was moving, so I'm gonna use the one that they gave me. It took a while to get this GPU and CPU cooled or cleaned off because the amount of thermal paste they put on it was like insane. So I'm just gonna follow suit and put an insane amount of thermal paste on there. Why not? And then the CPU. There you go. That should do it. Get out of the way of my camera here because I can't really see. So let's do this. Alright, that looks like it's sitting where it should be sitting. Alright, that's lined up. Worst case scenario was they weren't lined up perfectly, and then I would have to take it off and clean all the pads off again. But seems to be lined up fine. Well, actually, worst case scenario is I just broke my laptop, but and in case anyone is wondering why this battery is plugged in while I'm doing this, it is because my track record of pulling out ribbon cables in laptops is much worse than my track record of shorting things out. So I would rather do that than mess up these ribbon cables because these fans took like 2 weeks to come in. All right. Put this guy in. That's in. Guy. Yeah, I think it goes this way. Boom. Alright. Okay, so now that that is all good, I'm gonna double check these screws. Because I'm gonna turn this laptop on its side and turn it on. Should have battery. Hasn't been plugged in for like a day. Alright, everything's good. It's not gonna fall out. Alright, let's just do it upside down like this. Alright, both fans are spinning. Alright, whatever. Bring it over on this side. And, caught it at the wrong time. We're booting in here, but I'm just gonna sign in. Maybe me doing that will cause the CPU to need to be cooled. Alright, there we go. We got fans spinning. Both GPU and CPU. So that's good. And I'm gonna take this out of this tripod thing here.